Honor announced the Magic V3, which offers upgrades across the board in a slimmer and lighter body. Magic V3 measures just 9.2 mm in its folded state and comes out to 4.35 mm when on folded 7.92-inch main screen. Magic V3 weighs just 226 grams. That's 13 grams less than the newly launched Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Magic V3 features a 6.43-inch LTPO cover screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The main display is also of the LTPO OLED variety and measures 7.92 inches. Magic V3 brings Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is configurable with up to 16 GB RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. A trio of cameras with a 50 megapixel main shooter with OIS, a 50 megapixel periscope, and a 40 megapixel ultra wide. The cover and main screens also house 20 megapixel front-facing cameras. Magic V3 packs a 5150 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging.